here, I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself, both the problem and the solution.
Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to the time you are hearing my voice and wherever you are watching me from. Okay, if this is your first time of visiting my channel, I was born with the gift of seeing. That's why people call me this year. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself, both the problem and the solution. Okay, so welcome to my channel. If you are a new subscriber, okay, for my returning subscribers, one love, one family. Okay guys, today I want to teach you guys the powers of I want to teach you guys the powers of a pregnant goat. Yes, the powers a pregnant goat, that's energy a pregnant goat carries. You know, I told you people before that each and every animal has the spirit it carries. I made a video on how you can use cow poo to solve some certain issues. I made a video on how you can use dog to solve some certain issues, right? Like if you want somebody to be loyal to you, you want somebody to favor you, you want somebody to like give you anything you want, like maybe you want somebody to be loyal, maybe somebody is working for you and you want that person to be loyal to you. Okay, so all you have to do is that get food early morning before you talk to anybody. Just get the food the dog likes. We all know what dog likes, right? We all know what dog loves, right? It's difficult for you to convince dog that meat is better than bone. That's why sometimes you try to change people from what they are to be difficult. So what you have to do is that get the food that the animal like, which is the dog. Now after you have gotten the food the dog likes, then you hold the food early morning around that kind of before you talk to anybody. You pray on it. As I pray on it, you blow spit on it. I want this person to be honest with me. I want this person to love me this way. I want this person to do this to me. I want this person to do this to me, right? So maybe I will make video on that if you guys are interested. If you want me to put more detail about this dog, let me know in the comment section. What I want to teach today is that how you can use a pregnant goat to solve some certain issues. Okay, you have, so there's an energy, the spirit where a pregnant goat holds. Okay, all you need is just to like get a pregnant goat. You must not buy it. Okay, you might look around to see anywhere you see, you just get a stone. It must not be a big stone, please. It must not be hard on the animal, please. Just get a small stone. Okay, get a small stone, then just look for a random goat. Just look for goat. Like once you get a pregnant goat, then you use that stone to hit that pregnant goat. That's the number one item you are going to get. Then the second thing you are going to get a black cloth. Yes, you are going to get a black cloth. After you have gotten a black, that's a plain black material, right? Just small pieces that will be enough for you to wrap everything. Then you get a plain black pieces of cloth. Then the next one you are going to get, you will need egg. Yes, you need a local egg. If you cannot get a local egg, you use a agric egg. You need egg. So those are the three items you are going to get. Okay, so after you have gotten those items, maybe for example now, maybe somebody is sick, and if the person is sick, then maybe they have done different things, there's no solution to it, and it happens that sickness is an attack, or maybe there is a cause that is working against somebody. Okay, all you need to do is to just, after you have gotten those two items, then the person will pray on it. Or if you are spirituality, you can do this for the person. Hold the black cloth and the egg. That's put the stone inside the black cloth, they put the egg inside the black cloth, then you pray on it that the goats that they used to hit the stone that they used to hit a goat, that stone can never stay on the body of the goat. That is, whatever the stone which is being thrown at the goat, or the stone that hits the goat, that stone cannot remain on the body of the goat. Okay, so as a result of this, whatever they have thrown to this man, whatever arrow they have set to this man, that arrow should not stay on him. Okay, so you make prayers on it. You can add any. This is the incantation, right? When you are done with this incantation, you make prayers on it, everything. And when you are done, then you use it to wrap the person egg 3 times anti-clockwise, and then use it to touch the person body down to the toe. Okay, after you have done that, then they'll go and drop it in a junction. You can add the prayer, like at the end of the day when you are done making the prayer, you can add the prayer that the day this goat gave birth, that is the day all this person's problem. That's the day this person's sickness will end, or that's the day this person's curse will end. That is all. It is tied. So the day that God gave you, that's the day that person's problem finish. Who the Zuzu? Where there is God, everything is possible. Please, anything you don't understand in spirituality, you have to be very careful. If you made a mistake, little thing you do can affect some certainties. So anything you don't understand, let me know in the comment section, then I will explain to you. And if you want to join my free WhatsApp group, let me know. Okay, and please, some people now are trying to use my face to like talk to people. It is not, I only have 2 numbers. Okay, and my WhatsApp group is the Sia group. You always see my numbers. Once you enter the group and my number is not there, it is not me. And I have group for spiritualists and pastors as well. So if you are interested to join, also let me know. But the group for spiritualists and pastors is not free. There I give a lot of deep secrets about spirituality, and you have to know that each and every day has the energy it possesses. So anything you don't understand, let me know in the comment section. I will definitely get back to you guys. Okay, one family, please, if you find this video helpful, like this video so that YouTube can return recommend it to another person, so that they can. One thing about YouTube is that the more people like this video, the more they send it out for other people to see. So please, if you want to help other people to find this video, do well to like this video. See you guys in the next video.